A very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the back exercise questions of your chapter heat transfer. So beta, you have to start from question number 15 because the above questions are not in your syllabus. What do you understand by thermal expansion of a substance? So thermal expansion of a substance means the expanding of a substance on heating and contracting on cooling. So this you can write either from the recapitulation or the page number 109. Give two examples of the substances which expand on heating. You can write metal wire, brass, copper, etc. Describe an experiment to demonstrate thermal expansion in solid. So this you can do from page 109, experiment 1 or 2. Any you can write. State three factors on which depend the linear expansion of a metal rod on heating. So this is on your page number 10. The original length of the rod, the increase in temperature, and the material of the rod. All the 3 points you have to write. Two iron rods, one 10 meter long and other 5 meter long, are heated to the same rise in temperature, which will expand more. So here we are talking about two iron rods, means the material of the rod is same and the temperature is same, only there is a difference in length. So the original length is directly proportional to the expansion. So if the original length is more, expansion will be more. So here the original length of 10 meter is more than that of 5 meter. So 10 meter long rod will expand more. Two identical rods of copper are heated to different temperatures, one by 5 degrees Celsius and other by 10 degrees Celsius. Which rod will expand more? So here two identical rods are there, means the length is same, original length is same, and the material is same, only there is the difference in temperature. One is 5 degrees Celsius and other one is 10 degrees Celsius. So which will expand more? 10 degrees Celsius one will expand more, because more is the rise in temperature, more will be the expansion. One rod of copper and another identical rod of iron are heated to the same rise in temperature. Which rod will expand more? So here you can see length is same, temperature is same, only the material is different. One is copper and other one is iron. So the copper rod will expand more because the coefficient of linear expansion of copper is more than that of iron. So the copper rod will expand more. Two identical rods, one hollow and other solid, are heated to same rise in temperature, which will expand more. So they will expand to the same extent. This is on your do you know column, page number 111. Next is in the wall and ring experiment. If the wall after heating is left to cool on the ring for some time, the wall again passes through the ring. Explain the reason. This is on your page number 109, because on cooling the wall will contract and it will again pass through the metal ring. Explain the following. They are very important. The telephone wires break in winter because they contract on cooling, and because of contraction they break. This is on your page number 113. Iron rings are heated before they are fitted. They are fixed on the wooden wheels. This is on your page number 113 to 114. You can write the reason from there, that on heating their diameter increases, and with the increase in diameter we are easily able to lift over there, and on cooling it will have a strong grip to the wooden wheel. The gaps are left between the successive rails on a railway track. The reason is this, that in summers the rails of the railway track will expand and a gap is left so that it doesn't bend sideways. So all these are the applications of expansion, thermal expansion. A glass stopper stuck in the neck of a bottle can be removed by pouring hot water on the neck of bottle, because with the help of hot water the neck of the bottle expands and the glass stopper can be removed easily. This is on your page number 114. A cement floor is laid in small pieces with gap in between, because on expanding, that when it will be heated in during summers, it will expand, thereby a small gap is there to allow them to expand freely without cracking, because if there are no gaps in between they will crack because of the expansion. Why is one end of the steel girder in a bridge kept on the rollers instead of fixing it in a pillar? Because of the thermal expansion of the steel girder, it is set on rollers so that if any expansion is there, it may not harm the pillar or the bridge. Page number 112. A metal plate is heated. State 3 factors on which the increase in its area will depend. So the 3 factors are original area, increase in temperature, material of the plate.